beep, boop, boop, beep. Emergency SOS signal received.
What the hell is that?
Oh, it's this new service I started. I intercept distress signal and give people advice.
Wow, that's actually kinda novel. So, what's the case?
Let's connect. Hey, pizza delivery. Oh wait, one job? Hello?
Oh, hi. I'm stuck in a repeater, and I've been holding it in since this morning. I'm about to explode. Please help.
I see. Well, maybe once in a lifetime, that kind of experience is character building.
What? Are you seriously running this service? Let me handle this.
Fine, but I dock it from your paycheck at the end of the month.
First, deep breath. Calm your body.
Okay. Simulating.
I saw relaxing.
Uh-oh, you relax too much and it's leaked. Simulation failed.
Oh, come on. Okay. Try pressing the spot between your middle and ring finger. It's some kind of magic pressure point.
Running simulation.
Ora! No!
Uh-oh, press to hell. Leak confirmed.
For crying out loud! That's your fault! Just don't push so hard! I can't take it anymore! Please, hurry!
Alright, fine. I just transfer your baggage into digital signal and upload into my intern.
What? Get
Don't worry, workers can recover it.